Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Today is Friday evening. Market just closed, and I'm making this video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 15th. Today is 19th, 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 15th, this is Euro Aussie 20-minute chart, and you can see here the entry was last Friday, but nice and clean. It came down. It did move on Friday much, but later on Monday, actually, I closed this on the 15th. Several pair I closed Monday, which the entry was on the previous Friday. Okay, and since they didn't move, but there was another reason I wasn't available to close the trade for some. I was out there. That one up. So let's take a look. So for example, this one again, the entry was on last Friday and then closed on Monday on the 15th. Okay, and this is pound USD 20-minute for 95 pip. Right. So and the next again another one USD CAD 20-minute entry was, you can see, last Friday, but closed on Monday. I put it here. Also, the note entry was on Friday. But regardless, nice trades, right? By the book, with the setup. Nothing is random. I have to have the setup to open the trade, and these are the proper setup, and the alarm beeps when the setup is ready, and then I take the trade. So USD CAD 20-minute for more than 100 pip, and this one Aussie yen going to the upside, 100 pip on the 15th. Right, you can see this where it says entry. That's where my buy order, and then SL to break, SL to move to break even. Right, this indicates all the way down. By red candle turns to blue, and this goes away. Here again, euro yen on the 15th for 110 pip. Buy order here. SL moves to break even plus, and you can see the red candle, just like pound euro. Aussie yen, pound yen, because yen was getting weak, big time. So, and all yen pair went up. I'll show you in the next video maybe that how to judge the Aussie dollar index or euro index, yen index, and pound index, for example, the individual currency index, and then use it for your advantage and take a lot of trades in those pairs involving that currency. So I will make a separate video for that. On the 15th, again, there's USD yen going to the upside. Like I said, yen was getting weaker. So all yen pair, you will see euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen, USD yen, everything just long, long, long. Okay. It's very easy to understand that. Now here on the 15th again, now see this pound yen also big time. It went up. Entry was Friday, and then it went up all the way 180 pip. There was a reason for this went up so much, because not only yen was getting weaker, but pound was getting strong. I'm going to make a separate video about the pound index and pound pairs. And you will see the Aussie index and Aussie pairs, and pound index and pound pairs, how this index move all the pairs at the same time. So you can just take any trade you want. It will be like a pick and choose kind of situation. You will have several trade in your hand to take anything you want, right? So choose just which one you like. I don't like Aussie USD. Okay. How about Euro Aussie? Yeah. Okay. I'll take the Euro Aussie, right? Something like that. Or take all of them. I take all of them, right? So pound was getting strong. Pound Nuzi up 50 pip, not much, because there was a weekly teal coming right there. So I got scared. I says, this pair is not gonna move, so I closed. Pound Frankie went up, and then I closed it, but it went up even more. So that happens. So 65 pip, yeah, on the 17th, and then again on 18th, pound CAD went up. I had my weekly chart showing way to the upside for wave C. We are going. Okay. Maybe I'll show that chart when I will make the pound index and pound pair video. Maybe I'll make it today though, and then you'll see that. Aussie USD. Now, again, Aussie was getting strong. So for that, you will see that the pairs where the Aussie is on left hand side, they'll go up. Like Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, you will see my trades all up, up, up. And Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, stuff like that will be going down. I didn't take any Pound Aussie this week because I was afraid. Why? Because Aussie was getting strong and Pound was getting strong. When both currencies get strong or weak at the same time, pair goes into ranging. You don't want to trade that pair. Right? One currency, you need in the pair, you need one currency going weaker and the other one gets strong. USD was getting weaker, Aussie was getting strong, and boom, it went up for this one. That's how it is. Then this is for 19, and then another trade you see on 19, which is today, is Aussie yen again. You saw an Aussie yen earlier, right? This one, right? Yeah, sorry, this one, and now after a little bit of retracement, it went up again. So I got that one, and then you will see just the opposite. Again, pound yen, one more little small 55 pip because of pound weak, strong. All pound pair you will see going to the upside. Pound USD, boom, going to the upside, 60 pip here, right? And then finally you will see Euro Aussie because now Aussie is on the right hand side in this pair, right? So you see this pair going down. Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, they go up, right? So I have three trades on that going up. But Euro Aussie, I had earlier one on Monday, and then the other one. I have several small one here, which I close without making the charts, like 30 pip, 40 pip, something like that. In and out, in and out. So but this one I let it run, and that's 95 pip. Okay. So that's about it. So these are like 14, 15 trades you see, and all went according to my plan. And the plan was pound is going to get strong, Aussie is going to get weaker. And you saw the mostly pound pairs and Aussie pairs, all 14, 15 pairs. I mean, trades. Maybe here, there, one of them, like USD yen, right? And USD CAD, nice trades, nice little trades. So I took them as well. So this is how it is. And this system gives you several entries. Like for example, this indicator was up here, so that was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry, and all of these entries were pretty good entry. This one is an entry, right? These never went all the way up, so they are not entry, right? Even though I took them, to be honest with you, because once you become expert, yeah. But even if you play 100% by the book, when this indicates all the way up, that's the only way you're gonna take it. Then you would take this one, you would take this one. Still, it touches at least the first red line, right? So that was a good one and good entry. Price never went above it. Right? This one here exactly, price never went above it. This is the one I took. Then you have right after that, you have this one, right? Then this was not touched, but this is the one, right? So even from here to here, probably like 25, 30, 40 pip. So this is how the system is. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, go on my website and join. Today is Friday. Get the chart, get the system, set up your charts, and start learning. Start learning from Monday. All right, so I'm gonna close it now, and after a little while, I'm gonna make the Aussie index and pair, and then another video for pound index and pound pairs, explaining that how I use the index to trade these all of those trades involving that special particular currency. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.